Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the Widgets drawer now. Click the date/time in the menu bar or swipe left from the trackpad. Once visible, click Edit Widgets or press and hold any widget until items jiggle. You do this to access the gallery and placement controls. Make sure Mac OS is updated so the widget gallery shows all options. After entering edit mode, you can immediately add, remove, or replace widgets, so go ahead and pick the first widget to change. Once in edit mode, open the widget gallery and select a category that matches what you need. You choose a size, small, medium, or large, and preview it before adding, because size affects displayed content. After adding, drag the widget to the spot you want. The layout snaps into grid positions for consistency. Make sure to hold briefly to move between sections. If a widget supports configuration, click its settings to pick accounts or data sources. This customizes what you actually see. To finish, click Done in the top corner, and the system saves your layout immediately. Your changes persist across restarts. If you need to remove a widget, hover and click the minus icon or right-click and choose Remove. And make sure to configure widget permissions in System Settings if a widget lacks data. If a widget won't appear or acts stuck, restart the dock by running Kill Dock in Terminal. This refreshes widget services without rebooting and often resolves display or permission glitches.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.